thank you for being a part of my mom's life and sharing in her experiences and her memories. And thank you for all your love and support over the last couple months and weeks. I really love and appreciate all of you. And this is what my mom wanted. She wanted to be here at Kaimana Beach, her favorite beach. So thank you for being here today. And yeah, I just want to say I love all of you and thank you so much. And she would have loved you being here, so all of you.
Remember me, though I have to say goodbye. Remember me, don't let it make you cry. For even if I'm far away, I'll hold you in my heart. I'll sing a secret song to you each night we are apart. Remember me, though I have to travel far. Remember me, each time you hear a sad guitar. Know that I'm with you the only way that I can be, until you're in my arms again. Remember me.
When somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. Every hour spent together lives within my heart. And when she was sad, I was there to dry her tears. And when she was happy, so was I. When she loved me, through the summer and the fall, we had each other, that was all. Just she and I together, like it was meant to be.
Remember me,
when somebody loved me,
though I have to say
everything was
goodbye.
beautiful.
Remember me,
Every hour spent together,
don't let it
lives
make
within
you
my
cry.
heart.
For
Through
even
the
if I'm
summer
far
and the
away, I'll
we had
hold
each
you
other,
in my
that
heart.
was all.
I'll
Just
sing
she
a
and I
secret song
together,
to you each
like
night
it was
we
meant
are
to
apart.
be.
Remember me,
And when she was sad,
though I
I
have to
was
travel
there to
far.
dry her tears.
Remember me,
And when she was happy,
each
so
time you
was
hear
I.
a sad guitar. Know that I'm with you the only way that I can be, until you're in my arms again. Remember me, until you're in my arms again. Remember me. 'Cause I 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 remember me. 'C crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Yes, you'll be in my heart. No matter what they say, you'll be here in my heart always. Why can't they understand the way we feel? They just don't trust what they can't explain. I know we're different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all. And you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and don't listen to them, 'cause what do they know? We need each other to have and to hold. They'll see in time, I know. They'll see in time, I know. When destiny calls you, you must be strong. I may not be with you, but you've got to hold on. They'll see in time, I know. We'll show them together.